15 years later, I married the girl I swore I would when we were 9. I met Jessica when I was 9. She lived across the street, and one day I saw her playing soccer alone. Excited, I ran over, but her parents had warned her about strangers. She screamed and kicked a ball, hitting me square in the face. Dizzy, I fell, only to see her blonde hair glowing in the sunlight. That's how we became friends. Jessica and I were inseparable. We played house, made up stories, and even talked about getting married. I'd tell my parents I was going to see my wife when I went to play with her. On her birthday, our parents took us for pizza, and I asked to sit alone with her. Toasting with sodas, we promised to stay together forever. But a month later, her dad got a new job, and Jessica had to move away. We vowed to stay in touch, but as kids, that didn't last. Eventually, we lost contact. Years later, I moved to a new city for work and found a cafe I loved. One day, the barista, a blonde woman, caught my attention. She didn't have a name tag, but something about her felt familiar. I kept going back until I worked up the courage to ask her out. She said yes, and introduced herself as Jessica. Could it be her? On our date, I mentioned my childhood friend. She asked, "Did you grow up in Bentonville?" When I said yes, she teared up. It was her. A year later, we were married, and now we're expecting our first child. Life truly came full